In this video, I will demonstrate how easy it is to make a pair of earrings with our most popular earring settings. You will need two SS39 pointed back stones, two 18 by 13 pear-shaped stones, a pair of earring settings, as well as a pair of chain nose pliers. After placing an SS39 stone in the smallest setting of the earring component, gently press closed a prong. Assuming the prong that was just closed is the first prong, now close the third prong to stabilize the crystal in the setting. Close the remaining prongs around the stone. If you feel that not all the prongs are properly closed, correct this with your plier. Place the 18 by 13 pair in the remaining cavity. Gently close a prong onto the crystal. Now you will press close the third prong like you did on the smaller stone. When closing a prong onto a larger crystal, you can always do it with 2 squeezes to avoid warping the prong or damaging the crystal. Close the remaining prongs. These earrings are on trend and were so easy to make. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.